Come with me as I unbox my new 30-ounce Ibiza Sunset Love Shack Fancy Stanley. This is my third Stanley in this collection. This is the second year they have collaborated. And so I love pink and I really love the floral print. So I really wanted to purchase this cup. This cup, similar unboxing and wrapping as last year. It still came with the pink velvet cover. As last year, normally Stanleys don't come in this cover. So that was a really nice addition that they kept in the collection. But I was really intrigued to see the high gloss shimmer that's on the cup, and the camera does it no justice because it's beautiful in person. There's also a gold rim at the top, in which last year's was not that color. Along with the beautiful cup, there was also the straw was very similar. However, the straw included a glitter as well, and the top with the hot pink bow was the same as last year. I can't wait to fill this cup up because water tastes better in a Stanley. Like, follow,